Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today I have the December Lavanya box to unbox and review in this video. As you all know, it's priced at ₹299 plus 50 for shipping and it contains all different things. So without any further ado, let's get started. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box has reached me. So this is a normal brown cardboard box and it says Lavanya on it. And here are all the products. There's a nice Christmas tree with the product info and I can see a lot of things. So let's quickly get started. So the first one here is a thank you card. It says thanks for subscribing. And it's in a nice Christmas ornament kind of decor, and this is the Christmas edition info card which we will go through later. Now this month I love the makeup and this is my star product. You will get a shade option for this and they have all the available shades, like pretty much every shade you want to have. They have that in this range, this lipstick. And this is a pure matte lipstick. I have used this particular lipstick in a different shade earlier and I absolutely loved it. So I'm so happy to receive it again. It's a sealed pack and the shade I chose is 09. Here are some details about the product. Best before 5/2021. And it has 3.8 grams of product. So let's take off the seal. So this lipstick comes in a matte black bullet packaging. It's so luxurious. The packaging itself is so damn good. I love it and it's very sturdy, and this is the shade I chose, guys. I absolutely love it. It's such a beautiful pink. It's like one of the best fuchsia pinks out there. It has a purple undertone, so it looks amazing on dusky skin tones as well. I absolutely love the shade. I cannot wait to wear this. I have such a shade in a little satiny finish, but I love the matte finish of this. It's absolutely matte and it's not too drying as well. As I said before, I have another lipstick from the same range, so it's not too drying, but it's absolutely matte finish like the MAC Retro Matte. So I love this. And you will get any shade of your choice. They have reds, oranges, browns, different shades of pink, so many that you can choose from. Then the next product is again from a great brand. This is a Kajal from Oriflame. This has 3 grams of product and here it says Oriflame Cosmetics made in India, and this is the color box Kajal. The expiry is also mentioned as 2/2021 and this is how the Kajal looks like. It's quite pigmented. I had a Kajal like this earlier. It is black and pretty much a decent Kajal for day-to-day use, and it's from a good brand and that's what I liked. Then moving on to skincare, the first product we have is this aloe vera body lotion by Ahara. Ahara is a good brand and this is for 250 rupees. Expires in November 2020 and here are the ingredients mentioned. It comes in a packaging like this. The fragrance is pretty good. It's a very pleasing fragrance, but I feel it's a non-organic product because it has that perfume like fragrance. But still I like it. For body care, I don't mind using non-organic products, as I have told before also on my channel. Then we have got this packet of very cute cleansing sponges. It has one in blue and one in pink, and both of these have these cute bunnies on them, so it looks very cute. And it's the olive oil variant, so you can probably use oil with these and it will help you in removing makeup, I feel. So here are the details mentioned. I'll read through this. You guys can also pause and read through this. And I love using these kind of sponges to just remove my makeup or to just cleanse my face after a face pack or scrub or anything like that. And they're very soft and they do last for a long time also. And these are in such cute designs. I'm definitely happy to receive them. Now moving on to jewelry, we have 3 accessories. The first one is in choice of yours and this is how the one I chose looks like. They have kind of different metal tones and different patterns for this one. It will be in a similar pattern, but this leaf kind of structure can be different designs. I have chosen the golden one, simple and something which is definitely party wear and apt for the upcoming Christmas and New Year parties. So this is very lightweight, even though it looks so heavy. It's actually a very lightweight piece. And then we have this very nice hair tie. It has this rhinestones stud kind of thing, and it has this also. It's very cute and apt for parties again. So again, I like this. And finally, we have these super cute studs. Amazing and very nice for day-to-day use. You can wear them with anything that you're wearing, jeans, tops, kurtis, your pajamas also. So they are like pretty much day-to-day wear kind of studs. And I do like such jewelry, which is very simple and very comfortable to wear as well. You can just wear these for a long time and not worry about changing them as per your outfit. So that's why I like such jewelry, which are very versatile. Now let's have a look at the info card and the pricing details. The Oriflame Kajal is for 179, Swiss Beauty lipstick is for 210, which has a shade choice as I told before. Body lotion is for 250, facial sponges are for 129, earrings for 150. Then studs and rubber band are complimentary gifts, and you get all of these for just 299. And I must say I am very impressed. This is probably one of the best additions by Lavanya Box. I love the makeup products. This lipstick is too good. I mean, if you love matte lipstick, this is a must-have lipstick. You have a shade choice and this is just amazing. Then you have a branded kajal. A body lotion is very essential during winters, and this is something that everybody will use. Then these are also very cute. I'll definitely use them. Then we have some jewelry. So for a price tag of 299, I cannot ask for more. I am more than happy. This is more than value for money. Just with the lipstick, I'm so happy. So I will definitely recommend this box to all of you guys, especially the December edition. It's really good. You will not regret buying it. So if you liked it and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. You'll also find the link to the giveaway running on my channel. If you haven't already, then definitely do check it out and participate. It's super simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you can be the lucky winner of one of the 5 amazing gift hampers. Every hamper has at least 10 plus products, including makeup, skincare and jewelry, and the worth of each hamper is more than 4,000 rupees. So the total worth of the giveaway is 20,000 rupees, which is pretty huge. So you guys can share a word about it as well and ask your friends to join in. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.